Welcome to my YouTube channel. If I may ask, do you want him to start thinking about you? And besides, do you really love him? So in today's video, I am going to tell you some simple tricks, tips that you will use to make him to start thinking about you. Maybe he is not giving you the attention, or maybe you love him, but you don't know how to attract or draw his attention towards you. In today's video, I am going to tell you one simple trick or two simple tricks, tips that you will use to make him to start thinking about you. So let's continue. My name is Kenneth. I like making videos on relationship and tips, tricks for women to know the secret of men. So make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person that will get notified whenever I upload my next video. So before we proceed, there are things that you need to do as a woman to make him to start thinking about you. What are the things? Number one, text message. Yes, it sounds simple but very powerful. Just send him a text message. Do not call him. Send him the text message. Maybe today is the beginning of the week. Let's assume it Sunday. Send him a text message expressing your love, expressing yourself, your kindness, how good you are to him. Send it to him. On Monday, do not send any text message because he might expect a text message from you. Then 2-3 days after, send him another text message doing the same thing that you have done before. Maybe expressing yourself, your kindness, how you admire him. Then just send text messages like 3 times and do not call him as you are sending those messages. Then don't send any text message again. He will start thinking about you. This is a perfect trick. Another trick or another way to make a man to start thinking about you is call. Just call him maybe 2-3 times in a week. Next week, do not call him. He must surely be thinking about you. He might be thinking, what might make this lady or this woman not to call me today or to yesterday? Yes, from there, you have drawn his attention. From there, you have made him to start thinking about you. Just believe me, these tips and tricks are powerful, and as you do it, expect the best, but make sure that you keep him as your man. Do not turn him off. Don't make him to feel like he don't know what he is doing anymore, because men hate ladies that play games. Once he starts thinking about you, you are the queen. So in today's video, practice what I told you and give me a feedback. Anyhow it goes, please put your comment at the section comment below. Tell me how it goes with you, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share this video so that others that need this video will get to know these tricks. Turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload my new video. And thank you for watching.